Hello everyone out there. So today I'm again with another exciting video. So we will see how can we have a revision table in our multi-print. So just quickly draw some lines here. We should first switch on the grids, and we can quickly draw a table just with the help of these lines. You know, so grid help us to snap it properly. So okay, we can just make a table. Uh, okay, so this is a rectangle we have made, and we can place our this for a title revision table. We can place this and ID, date, description. Okay, so don't forget to switch on the grid first, and then with the help of line tool, you draw this table, a blank table, and then we will add the text. Okay, so now these are the rows that I'm trying to make it with the help of these lines. Okay, now select is, see, select tool is too much used. So just select the text and place a rectangle on this bottom cell and type revision table as a title. And again, we can select that text and right click and text alignment. We can make it center and middle, these alignments, make it bold through these object settings. Now we have our headings, and we can quickly place ID. Okay, yes, yeah, ID. Revision numbers. We can put revision number or ID, whatever you prefer in your revision table, and we can place date here. Okay, so date and description, and here by whom. I mean, this revision done by whom or suggested by whom. So you can make it center, or just have some space to there. Alignment, we can make it middle and okay. So this is, we have our table, and we can just play with the appearance, with the object settings, how it should be look. We can change the colors, we can make it bold, we can so we first we have this simple table. Now the main part begins, that to place those blank texts in the empty cells. So either we can copy or paste these existing ones, or you can so here we can just place blank, just drag it complete rectangle and make one, and then again selecting it, just okay, align it first and then delete that. So we will be having a blank cell there to place the text. So in this way we can place a date too. So we can place a date. Yeah. And we will just format it as we need, and then we will clear this text. So so format is there, but it will like, it will be like a blank table, but we can easily edit that after saving it as a symbol and use it again and again. So see, we have the blank. We can just, so I will quickly show you text, just, and make a name initials. So align it. Okay, so now we will double click it, and we will just, so we You can double click it and just make it backspace delete. Okay, double click it and delete. So we have formatted the empty cells, and we should save this table as a group and as a symbol. So no need to do that. I'm just trying to have some more cells filled so that we can edit, see, copy paste, and we can move and have those placed there like that. So we can move again this ID. Okay. 2, can make it 3. Paste it. Yeah, these are the blank cells that we need, right? So because once we have this as a symbol, this all table, we can just no need to click again text and place the text. We can just double click the cell, empty cell, and keep writing our. We can keep filling our revision tables. So that's why this empty cells is the we should have in our table. So select all, and no, this just have one more empty cell. Yeah, in that second row. Now the main part is that we should have our symbol library taste. Yeah, and here we will place this. So select all and click on the, first make it a group. That's very important. Select this and make it a group. Okay, once group is made, you can select this, select, you can just click anywhere, it will be selected, and press that plus icon, and now name whatever the name you want. So we will name it as a revision table. Okay, we version 1 suppose. Now it will be placed there in our symbol library paste folder. See, it is placed there, revision table v1. So once we drag it, we can just keep on double click the cell and just place the dates values. So no need to go again in the text tool and just have it. We can just keep filling it. So this is the purpose when we can have a revision table, right? Just fill it, description, insert door colors changed. Okay, like that. By initials, again select, double click cells, and SLR. Interesting, right? So just keep filling. Nice. If we have it as a symbol, this table, we can just keep filling it, and it's always save our time in future. Click page color changed by MJ. Okay, right? So this is how we have made our revision table from scratch and have it as a symbol, so that we can use it again and again in our other multi-prints, other drawings. So again, I have placed one in other pages also. We can just drag that. Yeah, other pages also we can drag that and place that. No problem. We can place revision symbols that I have shown you in my previous video. We can place revision symbols, and those IDs, the symbol numbers, we can place the descriptions here in this revision table. So that's all for guys. Hope you got the point. Thanks for watching, and like it and subscribe and share, and I'll come back with another fantastic video soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the upload. I'll keep uploading trainings, tutorials, videos for the CAD packages. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.